Welcome to this course where you will learn about the process control and quality audit for the surface mount technology process of printed circuit board assembly to achieve consistently good quality products. This course comes with an Excel quality process audit checklist which consists of 6 sections from incoming material, paste printing, glue dispensing, placement, reflow, inspection. This means that it captures all the surface mount technology process and with over 300 questions in the quality process audit checklist.
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate.
Each section also has a subsection according to the process, such as paste printing, that is breakdown into the subsection of work instructions, solder paste handling, stencil, squeegee, support pin tooling, the printed circuit board handling, the machine capability, paste inspection, and the print inspections. The questions in the checklist are actually the process control points, means there are over 300 process control points that is needed to achieve a consistently good quality product in the PCBA SMT process. I shall walk you through all the questions in the checklist in this course, and there also is a summary page in the quality process audit checklist which has a radar chart, and it will auto calculate all the scoring of each section, and from the radar chart you will know that which process is the weakest and need improvement and which is the best process. The focus should be on this process for improvement. I have break down this course into 9 modules according to the section of the QPA checklist, with some introduction on the SMT process and the briefing on the quality process audit checklist. By the end of this course, you will understand the SMT PCBA process and apply the key process control that is needed for the SMT process, audit SMT PCBA process like an expert. Therefore, you can minimize the potential failure that is associated with the SMT PCBA process from the gaps identified from such detailed audit and corrective action that is to address all those gaps. This course is only suitable for individuals that already have some basic knowledge in the PCBA manufacturing process. For supplier quality engineering professional who will be auditing PCBA suppliers, procurement professionals working with PCBA manufacturers, and those who aspire to become supplier quality or procurement professionals managing printed circuit board assembly manufacturers. This course includes an Excel format quality process audit checklist where you can edit or use as it is.
2-hour plus on demand video which you can access on mobile device means you can take the course anywhere. A full lifetime access where you will get my future updates and a certificate of completion from Udemy.
With a small investment, you can download my 20 years of experience to become an expert in the PCBA SMT process control to achieve consistently good quality products, which is the king in any manufacturing organization. What are you waiting for? Just click on the button below to enroll in this course, and you are on your way to become the champion in the surface mount technology PCBA process control.